Hello students, let us continue the topic we started, okay, that is tense. And in the first part I taught you the basics of the tenses and the present indefinite tense. Let us try to learn what present continuous tense is, okay, and other tenses. Okay, so in present continuous tense we use is, am, are plus base form of verb, and then we add ing. It means this is called present participle. Let me write it for you. Okay, in order to form the present continuous tense, okay, we add present participle. Present participle to is, am, are. Okay, these are the auxiliary verb. Okay, the present participle is formed by adding ing to the first form of the verb. Okay, for example, she is playing. Okay, she is playing uh, with Rina. Okay, clear? Birds are flying in the sky. Okay, so here you see is mr plus first form plus ing, present participle. Okay, so in this way you can construct the sentences of present continuous tense. These are the structure. If you talk about the structures, so for positive sentence we use, for assertive sentence we use subject, okay, plus is, am, are, okay, plus present participle plus object. Okay, if we talk about negative sentence, so in negative sentence we would use subject plus is, am, are plus not plus present participle plus object. Okay, if we talk about interrogative sentence we would use uh, is or am or are before the subject. Okay, then we will use present participle plus object. Okay, and then sign of question mark. Okay, for singular subject we have to use is, for plural subject we will use are, and with I we have to use am. Clear students? Let us learn how to use them, means uses of the present continuous tense. Okay, and the first one is this sentence is used is used with words or phrases like at this time, okay, okay, at present, or at the moment, okay, even the adverb now, okay, nowadays, clear, and still, etc. With these words and expression, we use present participle. Sorry, we use present continuous tense. For example, for example, uh, we are waiting for the bus at the moment. So this is the keyword that you have to keep in your mind, at the moment, and then whenever you see at the moment in a sentence and you need to fill up the correct form of verb, fill up present continuous tense there. Okay, clear? Next use that we can say uh, to describe an action in progress, okay, and or the continuity continuity of the action, okay, when an action is in progress or when continuity of an action is shown, we use present continuous tense. For example, uh, the girls are singing a chorus, okay, clear, okay, the birds are flying in the sky. Next one is to describe an action in progress but not necessarily not necessarily at the time of speaking, okay. For example, India is exporting onions to the Middle East. It means it is not exporting onions right now at the moment of speaking, but it is the process is on, okay, clear. uh, let me write some more examples. She is revising she is revising her course now, okay, clear. Let us learn the next use to express an action definitely planned for the near future. The keyword is near future, means something that will happen in near future and you have planned to do it in near future. Use present continuous tense. For example, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. Okay, clear? uh, One more example. We are holding we are holding a seminar next month. Students, keep it in your mind whenever you have to write any notice. While drafting a notice, you can use these expressions using continuous tense, that our school is holding or is organizing its annual day function on. Okay, what is this? This is the future activity that is to be done. Okay, clear students? So near future can be shown using present continuous tense. Okay students, next, to show an action, to show an action that has become a habit for doing it over and over again. आदत बन गई उस चीज़ को करने की. Okay, you know habitual, for habitual action we use present indefinite tense, but यहाँ पर वो आदत है जो that can be used in progressive tense. तो for example जैसे मनोज is always asking questions. Okay, she is always borrowing money. Okay, clear? Here I have to make a note for you because you will certainly get confused if I don't make it clear. Okay, students, the following words are seldom means they are not used in present continuous. इन वर्ब्स को हम है ना प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में यूज नहीं करते, मीन्स दे आर नॉट यूज्ड इन आईएनजी फॉर्म विद आईएनजी फॉर्म. दे आर हियर, नोटिस, सी, स्मेल, जो परसेप्शन वाली वर्ब्स हैं ना, दे आर नॉट यूज्ड इन कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म. ओके, क्लियर? एंड एडमायर, अडोर, ओके, care, desire, forgive, hate. Let me write some more for you. Hate and like, okay, refuse, want, okay, wish, no, and forget. Okay, so these verbs are not used in continuous tenses. Okay, clear? In this category the verbs like on, okay, oh, okay, belong, possess, that shows possession. Okay, these verbs are not used in continuous form, please. Okay, let me write this one for you so that you can learn it. The above words can however be used in मतलब अगर इनको यूज़ करेंगे तो उनका मतलब चेंज होगा, वही लिखना चाह रहा हूँ मैं। द अबाउ वर्ड्स कैन हाउ एवर बी यूज द इन द continuous tenses. Okay, uh, in that case they convey a changed meaning. Okay, they convey a changed meaning. For example, uh, जैसे they are having rest. Okay, so here having means taking. Okay, clear? Hmm? Okay, but you are to focus the rule that these verbs are not used in continuous form. Continuous form में यूज़ नहीं करना है भाई. तो what would we do? We will use these verbs to show their habit, means in present indefinite tense. Okay, clear? Okay, students. Let us try to learn the next tense, that is present perfect tense. And to save your time, let me write the rules of it. So the third tense is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, we use has or have plus past participles. You know what past participle is? Past participle is the third form of verb. Okay, students, you need to learn the form of verbs. Okay, to have a better command on tenses. Okay, beta. For example, he has won a prize. So has plus third form won. He has won a prize. Okay, clear? You have insulted me. So here insulted, the third form has been used here. Okay, clear? If we talk about the sentence structure, so for positive sentence we use, as we have written, subject. Okay, first of all subject will be written, then has or have, then past participle. Okay, then object. If we talk about negative sentence, so in negative sentence we would write subject plus has or have. Have will be used with the singular subject, and have would be used with the plural subject. Okay, then third form of verb, that is past participle and object. Okay, for example, he has not returned from जयपुर. जयपुर से आया नहीं अभी वो. he has not returned. Okay, if we talk about another kind of sentence, that is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence we would use has or have before the subject. Okay, then we will use third form of verb, and thereafter object will be written and then question mark. For example, have you watched this movie? Okay, clear? So this is the sentence structures of present perfect tense. Okay, let us try to know some other things regarding present perfect tense. This tense is used with yet. Okay, as yet, okay, already, just, just now, okay, and so far, okay, since, ever since, okay, then presently, okay, once, twice, thrice, okay, clear? These are the things that you have to keep in your mind. With these words you have to use present perfect tense, okay. Perfect tense will be used here. Let us learn the uses of this tense, present perfect tense. First one is to express, to express an action that has been recently completed, recently completed. For example, I have just received the letter. Abhi, recently it has been completed, so here just received, just received, I have just received the letter, okay, clear? Next one, uh, to describe an action, an action, okay, the time of which, or the time of which is not given, just इसका टाइम नहीं दिया होता ना, ओके, देन इन दैट कंडीशन यू हैव टू यूज दिस टेंस. फॉर एग्जांपल, द ट्रेन हैज़, द ट्रेन हैज़ स्टीम्ड इन, ओके, क्लियर, ओके. और थोड़ा और क्लियर करते हैं. आई हैव सीन, आई हैव सीन अ snake in the garden. So there, when I see, yeah, when you saw the snake, the time is not given, so here this tense will be used, okay, clear? Another use is to describe a past experience, to describe a past experience, okay. For example, have you ever, have you ever been to Goa? Okay, students, one more thing that you have to keep in your mind, ever is always used in interrogative sentence, okay, clear? Okay, another example in this category, I have seen this picture several times, okay, clear? Let us learn the next use, okay, to express an action that began in the past, okay, and still continues. Yes, that's a good point. Students, suppose this is an action and this is a time past. The action started at some point of past and then it comes to the present, okay, but even even after present it will remain continue. In such a condition you have to use present perfect tense, okay. For example, and here you will be given a time expression with since or for, okay. With the name of time you have to use since, or with the counting of time you have to use for, okay. I am not talking about the point of time and period of time. सबसे आसान ट्रिक यही है कि अगर टाइम का नाम दे रखा है तो सिंस यूज़ करना है, और इफ़ यू कैन काउंट द टाइम, ओके, यू कैन यूज़ फॉर। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल लिखता हूँ एक सेंटेंस आपके लिए कि मैंने उसको मंडे से नहीं देखा है ना। आई हैव नॉट सीन हिम सिंस, पिछले मंडे से, सिंस मंडे लास्ट, ओके, क्लियर। इवन शी हैज़ लिव्ड इन दिल्ली फॉर 15 ईयर्स, और आई हैव बिन लिविंग, वो आगे बात आएगी, ओके। शी हैज़ लिव्ड इन दिल्ली फॉर 15 ईयर्स, क्लियर। सो पिछले मंडे से उसको देखा नहीं है तो ये हो गया, डन, क्लियर, ओके। हियर यू हैव टू रिमेंबर अ पॉइंट, व्हाट, remember that we do not use adverbs of time denoting the past tense in present perfect tense। इसमें है ना, हम उन्हें उसका यूज़ नहीं करेंगे एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम का जो पास्ट को शो करती हैं, ठीक है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ओके। फॉर एग्जांपल, फादर हैज़ returned from Mumbai, या returned from मुंबई। यहाँ पे कोई पास्ट की कोई एक्सप्रेशन यूज़ की नहीं है। अगर करेंगे ना कि फादर हैज़ रिटर्न फ्रॉम मुंबई येस्टरडे, तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग, ओके, क्लियर, ओके। विद एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, विद एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, वी यूज़ पास्ट टेंस, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, I passed my 9th class in the year 1998, okay. So in plus year use second form, okay, clear। So students, you have seen the use of present continuous and present perfect tense in this video, okay. Let me show you the uses of present perfect continuous tense. Doing this we can even complete the present tense as well, okay. So let us learn the present perfect continuous as well, okay. Students, the present perfect continuous tense, in this tense we use subject plus has or have plus been plus present participle, or you can say first form plus ing, okay, and then object. If we talk about just examples, let us take let us see. uh, it has been raining for 2 hours. Okay, so the process is going on for the last 2 hours. Okay, so it has been raining. Okay, means the process of raining is continue. Okay, and कब से? For the last 2 hours. Clear? I have been flying a kite since a kite since 2 o'clock. ओके, टाइम दे रखा है, कब से उड़ा रहा हूँ? 2 बजे तक, 2 बजे से. ओके, so how we use it? This tense is used to describe an action that began in the past, is still continuing, okay, may extend into future as. कि कोई सेंटेंस कोई एक्शन शुरू हुआ पास्ट में और अभी तक कंटिन्यू था और आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा, तो इन कंटिन्यूस फॉर्म यू हैव टू यूज present perfect tense there. Okay, she has been waiting for you for 3 hours. कब से? Means she started the process of waiting uh, 3 hours ago, so now it is completed. They have been playing cards since 10 a.m. So since 10 a.m. given time. Okay, clear? Okay, students, clear? And the last use to express an action in a sentence which begins with for how long. Let me bold it for you. when जब आपको मिले ना किसी सेंटेंस में फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग, ओके, और सिंस व्हेन, ओके, देन थिंक फॉर अ मोमेंट कि व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज़, क्या करना है आपको. तो वहाँ पर आपको यूज़ करना है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. ओके, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, सॉरी. सो फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग हैव यू बीन सिटिंग हियर, कब से बैठे हो? हैव यू बीन सिटिंग हियर, क्वेश्चन मार्क था ना, दैट्स वाई हैव हैज बीन पुट अप बिफोर सब्जेक्ट. सिंस व्हेन हैज़ ही बीन लिविंग इन दिस हाउस, कब से है इस घर में, कब से रह रहा है? तो सिंस व्हेन, कब से. ओके, पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए आपको पहले दे रखा, तो यू आर टू फोकस ऑन दीज एक्सप्रेशंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, क्लियर? इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सिंस और फॉर, तो लेट मी राइट. सिंस इज यूज्ड फॉर point of time. Okay, and for is used for a period of time. Okay, period of time. So these are the things. Clear? Okay students, so this is all from my end today. In the next video we will discuss the past tense. Okay, thank you very much.